How do I rebuild intimacy in my marriage? If this is the question on your mind as a man and as a woman, you need to listen to this man, because if I'm to say this myself, some boys calling themselves men will come to my comment section to attack me. I hope this helps.
So a woman who feels unappreciated by a man will find it difficult to have sex with a man. But a man can fight a woman right now and still want to have sex with her. Things don't stop overnight in marriage. People don't harden their hearts overnight. It's a gradual thing that they start losing touch. When you stop talking to yourselves, everybody starts going into their own world. When you stop exchanging ideas, people start going into their own worlds. God created sex for a reason, intimacy for a reason. It's to get to know each other more. It's to get to be closer to each other more. At times, some women might not tell the men the reason why they find the sex uninteresting. If they find it uninteresting, if they believe that it's only about the man, if they believe that the hygiene is not good enough, if they believe that there are so many unresolved issues, because sex to a woman is emotional, sex to a man is not emotional. It's not emotional at all. So a woman who feels unappreciated by a man will find it difficult to have sex with a man. But a man can fight a woman right now and still want to have sex with her. So they are on two different levels. So both parties have to take themselves out of the equation and look into the other party and say, okay, what have I done wrong?
Like, share, and subscribe.